Oh, boy.
Oh!
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes!
Ooh.
We got Oh, I can't believe this shit. I can't believe it.
Yeah, like exploded out the side.
Yeah. Let's go, coming through. We put the Lasco blades on the Toastmaster. Blades are all bent to hell, but it works.
Thanks to me. Dude, I can feel that thing.
Let's try low speed. It's like no difference.
Nope.
There's no difference between high and low.
No, that blade's too fucking light.
Okay. Now let's try putting those blades on that piece of shit out in the driveway.
Hey, no way.
Yeah, let's do it. No, this fan's been running, the motor's been running without the fan blade on it. It actually overheated just sitting there, and it's dead already. It died already.
I witnessed it stop. I was gonna put the blade on and it stopped.
He-Man, that thing. Oh, it's portable.
It's a portable fold-up fan.
Just fold it up and stow it under your bed. Take it camping. Just inflate it. Use it wherever you need.
It's almost flat.
God, that is.
Oh, shit.
I'm not even trying either. It's just going with the flow.
It's done.
And I just bought that today.
Sorry.